In the previous attribute update using title block command, we saw that how to update one revision up using the command attribute update title block, then checking one block and changing another block. The same task can be done using attribute update as well, using different way. I'm going to select all the block now. Before then, that just I want to show you again. So you can see here in this drawing, which is sheet number 5. So we have submitted 3 times, revision A, revision B, revision C. Okay, so the revision C, sheet number 4 as well, revision C, and sheet number 3, revision 2, A and B only. We have gone through only 2 revisions, and sheet number 2, 3 revisions, and sheet number 1, 2 revisions. Okay. What I'm going to do is external view. Okay. All right. Um, I'm going to use this attribute update command. Select the block. It will list all the attribute which one you want to update. You can select that tag name here. So we see here we have gone through in this revision A and B. So what I'm going to do, even here we have the multiple revisions submitted. Some of the sheets gone through 3 revisions, some of them 2 revisions, something like this. So if you want to edit globally, even if you want to use it batch as well, insert batch into database or batch in editor, we can use the same methodology. So what I'm going to check, I'm going to check in the ascending order here. Unlike the other one that I showed you using the descending order, using the update attribute title block. Here we are going through attribute update with a different way. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to check that empty value. So I'm not going to enter any value here. So I will check if that value is empty, then we know we can add the value there. Because we should not go to the descending order, because if we want to add in the revision 4, we cannot check revision 4 is empty, so it is empty in all the sheets. So if you know that, so which is the last revisions, how many attribute has been filled up, so from this you can choose it. So we know that let me close in the attribute we have gone. So you can see here dr0, drn0, and up dr1. So we have gone through 2 revisions. Here we are call it 0, 1, 2, something like that, but in the revision actual 0 revisions goes A, B, C. So the 0 goes to A, the 1 goes to B. So here I'm going to check, select the block, right? So it is the A is 0, the B is 1. So what I'm going to check now here, revision 2 is the case. If revision 2 revision number is empty, I'm not going to enter any value here, then add, it is going to be revision C. So A, B's are there, we are going to add revision C. Apply. You can see here now I have updated two numbers only. It has found only 2 attributes. That is fine, because we have the situations in sheet number 1 and 3. Alright, then I will go ahead and do the same things. Revision number, date, I am going to enter the value. The same scenario I'm checking again. If the value is empty, 14th March 14. Fine. So again 2 attributes updated. Then descriptions, issue, sorry, it's supposed to be empty. The value, replace value, issued for construction. Apply. You can see now it's being added here. Then DRN2, AA, and check it to db. It's going to come over here again to attribute. Here you can see this value. As I showed you before, even if you want to pull any value from here, that's also possible. So let's see that as well. So approval 2, instead of entering value, even I can pull this the value that previously entered. So in this case is the approval 1, so we are going to fill in the approval 2. So in the approval 2, take it from approval 1, approval 1. So that value is disabled now, so you cannot enter the replace value. The replace value is going to be taken from approval 1. So apply. You can see the same NB has been put in the approval 2. Fine. So you have done it. So you can see now sheet number 1 fine, sheet number 2, so see 14th February issued for approval, so different values here. So 3, see the same value what you entered has been filled up. Good. So if you go to the 4, no changes, and 5, no changes as well. 14th February, different scenario. Okay. Right. So we have filled up. The same thing I will go now changing of this as well. If you want to update those things, update attribute. Now I will choose this block, revision number, find value. Again I'm going here as well, in this case different descending order. So if it is C, change it to D. Okay, so you can see now 3 of them has been changed, and then revision D, change it to revision C. The 2 attributes updated. So if we go through the sheet now, this is the 5th one is D, and 4th one also supposed to be D here, and 3rd one is C because it has only it was only AB only, and then 4th one is supposed to be D. Yes, D here. The first one also supposed to be C now. Okay, so the different way of doing, even you can do the same checking of empty value in title block as well. You can use this empty value without entering any value, then you can check it. You can do that as well. Hope this video is useful. Thank you.